Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create multilingual sites on Wix at 2026. So before we start, you should or you will need to know the meaning of multilingual on the Wix. Okay, so what is Wix multilingual? Multilingual or Wix Multilingual lets you display your website in multiple languages with separate URLs per language. So that means it's a language switcher, SEO-friendly translation, or a manual or automatic translation also, okay? So the first thing that I want you to do is to enable the Wix Multilingual. But before, I do really want you to make sure that you're already logged in with your accounts on the Wix website. And after that, just go to the dashboard or the left-hand menu. And after that, just go and scroll a little bit on it and click on settings, okay? So scroll until you can see a language and region option on the general section. So just click it and then you will find your main language just right here. So I do really want you to go and click on add languages, and after that go with add to site. It's the Wix Multilingual, okay? So click that option and you will need to wait it to load, as you can see. So yeah, so you can go with start now, extend your site's original language, and it will ask you is that language is your site's original language. So this is the language you wrote your site in. All translations will be based on it, okay? So if it, just go and click on set original language. If not, go with no, I want to change it, and change it, and then yeah, you will be forwarded into that page. So right now, you will need to select a flag for the English language. So we will go with okay, so I tried to type England, but I guess yeah, it's United Kingdom. So we'll go with that flag, and then we'll go with select flag, confirm original language, and okay, so right now, Wix will automatically add a language switcher to your site, okay? So actually, guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.